Welcome to our tutorial on the eDrawings Markup Tool. First, let's expand the manager and activate the Markup Tool from this toolbar. The Markup tools are available right here, and they're also available under the Tool drop-down menu under Markup. Before we start, let's go to Options, and in the Comment Preferences section, let's fill out our name and email address. You can add your telephone number if that's needed as well. Later on, when we email people our comments, recipients will know who's created them. Let's click OK and exit here. OK, let's add a new comment. As you see, my name appears right here, Joe Smith. Now, let's use the Dimension tool. The Dimension dialog window pops up. Let's use Select Edge. Zoom in a little bit. Now let's select this edge and this edge. Let's position my dimension. Left click. OK. Here is a dialog window. Let's say I want to change this 18 millimeters to 19. I do it here in this window. I also can add some comments here. Check this dimension. OK, click OK. Down below, I can put additional comments. If I want to change the appearance of this box, right-click, select Properties, and, for example, I can change the color. Click OK. Here are some options for applying the changes. I can apply them to all comments in this document, to the current comment, or to new comments. I'm going to choose Current Comment and click OK. Oops. I can also change the font size and type. All right, let's click OK. Now let's add a cloud with a leader. We left-click to position it. And now we can type our comment and click OK. If I want to edit the first comment, I just select it in the manager. Let's say I want to reposition the dimension. I can just drag it around. Maybe we'll add some text with a leader right here. Let's highlight the comment and select Text with Leader. We position it with a left click. Let's say we want to ask for some changes. We'll ask for a chamfer right here. Click OK. After I've finished adding and editing my comments, I'm going to save this. Let's select File, Save Markup. Let's choose All Reviewers and click OK. Click Save with the default name. Now I can email this comment file to someone. If, for example, the eDrawing file is too big, and let's say maybe it's easier to email the comment file. OK, now I can go ahead and open this comment file. Select the file and click Open. In this case, eDrawings has prompted me with a dialog window stating that the comment to import has the same name as the existing comment. Let's click Yes. All right, now we're going to check the first and second comments. Let's select the reply command and reply to this comment. Let's type our text here. Me reply text. We type our comments here in the description field, add some more review suggestions, etc. And when I'm done, I do save the markup file again. But for now, we're just going to cancel out of this. Now we can email this markup file back to our first reviewer. And this concludes our markup file tutorial.